This is The Bottom Line. The Bottom Line on 938 Live.
Productivity and innovation, two words that are very familiar to companies here, given the government's push for them to boost their efficiency and grow their businesses. Gwendolyn Goh spoke to Swiss pharmaceutical giant Novartis' head of Group Country Management, Christopher Snook, to find out how the group achieved productivity savings of some $2.8 billion last year.
Head of Group Country Management at Novartis, Christopher Snook, lists productivity and innovation as two of the group's three strategic imperatives, along with growth. He says more than $1 billion of productivity savings achieved last year came from savings in procurement.
Of course, when you're a healthcare company like Novartis, you will have common spend categories in every division. So if you need laboratory equipment, for example, in Alcon, there's a good possibility that you're going to need exactly the same laboratory equipment in each of the other divisions. And so what we do is we aggregate the volumes of common spend categories and we basically bulk buy.
Mr. Snook says the savings are put back into research and development, or R&D, because the pharmaceutical industry is all about innovative products.
And we will only maintain our lead position in the categories in which we participate if we constantly bring innovative products to the market. And that counts for all divisions. I mean, the great advantage of being highly efficient, both in the areas of procurement but in other areas as well, is that then allows us to maintain what is already industry-leading investment levels in drug research and development. So in pharmaceuticals, for example, 21% of our revenues goes back into R&D, and 17% of Novartis Group turnover is going back into R&D.
And this has been reaping dividends.
We had 17 new products arrive last year, global-wide, 3 of which were given US FDA breakthrough designations. And that in itself is a testament to just how innovative those products are, because the US FDA is saying these are so significant in patient treatment that we want the patients who are suffering with those diseases to benefit from this new medicine as quickly as possible. So the US FDA basically fast tracks the approval of those medicines to bring the benefits to the patients as quickly as possible.
But he says the road to success is not without challenges.
Challenge is drug discovery. It's very difficult to find new medicines. We screen thousands of molecules and only one makes it through. So that's a continuing challenge, but we're well equipped to tackle that one, and we invest at levels which are going to be productive in that regard.
Notwithstanding, Mr. Snook expects Novartis' performance for this year to be consistent with that achieved last year.
So we are expecting group turnover to be low to mid single-digit growth, but we would also expect this year that our profit performance is going to be ahead of our sales performance, and that reflects a very strong program of productivity initiatives that we're running at the moment.
Novartis posted a 2% growth in sales last year to $58 billion.